Okay. And we are going to do it 3 times. We want to take the first couple dance. I will hand you this microphone. You would invite your wife in the best way that you can to join you on the dance floor. Gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀sà tó lò fún Alájà Khaira tó fi gbà fún ọ. We want to hear part of it today. So, Alájà Khaira, for every sweet word that your husband says, you move and come and meet him on the dance floor. Your time starts now.
My love, my sweetheart, my everything, the love of my life. Orekelewa mi, ẹlẹ́yinjú ẹgẹ́, apọ́nbẹ́kùnrẹ́, ìbàdí àwọn. Okay, oh yeah, let's do it like this. Okay. Mon amour, mon sticker, amour de ma vie.
Ladies and gentlemen, did he pass? Did he pass or not? Okay, Haji Ibrahim, you are next. Ejo, please, the media team, please be conscious. Pay àwọn èèyàn wà lórí ìjókòó. We don't want you blocking them. I'm okay if I capture the day, and yes, you've been paid to be here. But please be mindful that we have people on stage so that you don't block them, please. Haji Ibrahim, ẹ̀yin ló kàn. Tó bá ṣe pé kéwú lẹ fẹ́ fi gbé ìyàwó yìí dìde, ẹ̀yin lẹ bọ̀. But we want to hear you. Àwọn ẹ̀sà yẹn, those sweet words that you used. Tí Alájà Khaira fi gbà. We want to hear it, just as we have done for the first couple. We are doing it also for this next couple. Thank you.
My sweetheart, yeah, I asked you about my one and only Amoke, the love of my life. Amoke, Arewa obìnrin. Anytime I'm counting my blessings, I count you twice. In short, I can't leave this world without you, my love.
Oh, please. You, my baby.
Did he pass or not? Pass or not? 100. Haji Mahmood, you are next. They say Egunla ni kẹ́yìn gbàlẹ̀. So it is your turn now. But I think Alájà Khaira the first word by my love, what did they straight ni? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, couple 3 for today, triple union.
Ajoke mi, my own angel that dwells among human, the most beautiful I've ever seen, the one and only. Have you seen a beautiful lady today? I present to you Ajoke, Rofia, Arademi, Olonkemi, Alubarika, my own wife, and I love you.
Hey! Thank you. Hold it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not the time to join the couple on stage. We don't even want anybody moving. The media team, you're blocking people on Tanjoko. Please let them see what is happening here. Please. It's a solemn dance between the couples. Please, let's remain seated while they have this moment on their own. DJ Charlie Chin, take it away.